Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box with the Technical Trader, techtrader.com. It's Tuesday night, the 18th of October. It was a turnaround Tuesday in the morning, but the afternoon they gave back a chunk of it. I'm going to start right with the stocks of interest. ABEO, which I put out as a swing today because it broke out with big volume. It looks to me like it wants to extend up towards 11. I do have a swing trade on it at around the 9.5 area and then 11. But today's action I thought was pretty impressive. Also closed at the upper end of the range. There's 3.8 days to cover. Very well might see eventually the stock getting up towards 11 where the double top occurred in May of 2015. Avon Product, one of our swings, acting well, and today extended its move right up to my resistance zone and near the target area at around the 685.7 zone. Next target's around 8.25. There is 5.5 days to cover, and this one it popped on 17 million. That's the biggest volume since the breakout day back here in August, so this may be significant, but and there is resistance here, so if we can punch it through there, we may see 8.25 pretty quickly, but for now, let's watch to see if it consolidates near resistance. Well, I wanted to show you the BRZU because Gio pointed out today, and I've been watching this for a while, massive inverse head and shoulders had formed. There's your breakout, there's your platform, and then the breakout of this triple top through here. It's like this is extending. The mid-channel line is about 60. The top of the channel says high 70s, maybe low mid 80s. That's the top of the fifth wave. If we get a big run in here, something to watch. Cannabis stocks are on the move. I want to show you some of them. I'm not recommending these, but I do want to show you the incredible patterns they've developed. Here's a base breakout, a quick retest, an explosive rebound with big volume today of 2.7 million. It's closed at the upper end of the range, the highest level since about a year and a half. So at this point, I'm pushing almost 2 years. There's some resistance on CANN at about 604. That would be my next target, around 6. We'll see if we can push it there. CBDS. Well, again, never even heard of this one until this week. This massive base pattern, multiple tops were broken here. A big follow through. It may be long in the tooth, and it may be near a point around the 9.25 range. If we do get a follow through, that would be my max target. Now, CG.TO, which was a suggestion of mine a couple of weeks ago, broke out of the coil at 395, today hitting 664 after the wedge formed to pop. Now the American stock equivalent is TWNUF, Canopy Growth. Same pattern here. You can see it's a little bit different because of the dollar exchange. Today 394,000 shares up 10%. CGRW is another marijuana cannabis stock that exploded from 70 cents 345 in the last week and a half. Look, folks, anytime you see this kind of a move up, it's this kind of a stock, it is really, really risky. Now, momentum's a funny thing, and it can carry it to $5 or $6, who knows where, but I would tell you right now, you better not play these without stops. CLD, Cloud Peak Energy, one of these junior roles is having a good time of it today. Today popped 2.9 million shares up, almost 7%. It broke out of the flag. Looks like it's heading towards 7, and then maybe even 8.5. Casella Waste has been wonderful all year. In particular, the last 6 months shows a nice steady rising channel. Today, a nominal new high. It's decent volume. 3 days to cover. I'm looking for 12. EMES, after the explosive move in June, multiple month ascending coil. This coil within a coil broke out today as the stock popped 141 at 11.2% on 750,000. That's one of the bigger volumes we've seen in the last several weeks. If it gets through 1460, something to watch tomorrow, this stock could be 18 pretty quickly, and there's 4 days to cover on that one. Swing Trade Hudson broke out of its flag today, popping 44 cents or 7% on 1,000,004. That's the biggest volume we've seen in a couple months. Looks to me like it's headed to 7.5, 3/4, maybe 8. Well, big earnings today and a nice pop on HOG, Harley Davidson. Looking at the long-term pattern, you can see that there's big resistance overhead up around 57. I suspect 57 gets tested short-term. That's my target. Beyond that, top of the channel says something potentially could come out in a 60-61 range. 12.7 days to cover on Harley. Well, gold finally made a nice move today. The JNUG popped. Although it's still in the confines of flag pattern, it has to break out here. If it does, the target's 15. If it doesn't, be very careful. Must play this with stops. Same with Nugget. looking like a wedge or flag type pattern in here. Today it closed above that 13.5 area at 1367. It was up $1.34, almost 11%, 33 million. If we get an extension and if the stock follows through tomorrow, we could see the stock make a run at that $16 swing trade at NUGT. TCK acting very well up $1.20 today. Let's take a look at it. Coming out of a consolidation range yesterday, and it followed through today on 11 million shares, up 6%. My targets are now 24 and 29. And folks, that's it for tonight. I want to just keep it on the long side, but interesting market, quite tentative still yet. Today was a good but not a great day. If we get a follow through tomorrow, it may be important. We are in a Bradley turn date time frame, so it could be intriguing. This is HP signing off for now, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.